Is it possible to learn a foreign language in 6 months?
I guess yes.
I don't think so.
Switch, it's off and then it's on.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's possible.
It is practically impossible.
With focus.
Yeah.
With determination.
It depends on level that you choose.
This is not proved scientifically, I guess.
A very difficult task to do it.
What is your mother tongue and what is the language that what you want to learn?
Actually, I don't know about this question because I didn't try it.
It will be very easy to do it.
Is it possible to learn a foreign language in 6 months?
It depends on level that you choose. If it's, for example, beginner or elementary level or pre-intermediate, I think it's possible. And also it depends on time that you are ready to spend. If you will practice every day for a few hours, of course, you will improve. You can. It's possible to improve your English. Yes, it's possible to have a good level, but not advanced. I think for 6 months it's impossible.
But intermediate, maybe upper intermediate. For speaking, reading, listening. Not reading, writing maybe, but listening, speaking, and reading.
Depends on time. I think if, I don't know. Well, for example, if you live, and depends on your motivation. If you live in English-speaking place, I think it's possible to get intermediate level for 6 years.
Okay, I got it.
It depends from the languages, of course, and from where do you start and where do you want to arrive. It's important to consider what is your mother tongue and what is the language that what you want to learn. So if I can make an example, for if you are an Italian speaker and you want to learn Spanish or French, it will be very easy to do it, and with the right effort and practice and exercises, I think that in six months can be enough to achieve a good command of these languages. But I think that it is practically impossible, even if you study very hard, to learn Russian or Arabic if you are Italian, in my case, for example, because they are very different, and you have to start from the very beginning, from the alphabet, and you have to learn new phonetic rules, totally different idioms and vocabulary, and you can make a comparison between Russian and Italian in many words, so it will be, of course, harder. So it just depends from the languages.
I think it's difficult to define what is exactly learn a language, because I don't think it's like a switch. It's off and then it's on. And now I don't know English and tomorrow I know. I think it's a linear process, or not linear. It's a large process. So I think you can improve in 6 months. Obviously depends on your effort, on the things you do to achieve that. But I think it's not like you can say I learned everything in 6 months. So you are always improving.
Yeah, let me clarify. Just to to speak with native speakers, to get information from news, understand it, to read, some general information from magazine, from books, and to go to coffee shop and to pay it to have a conversation with the seller. What do you think? It is possible?
Okay. Yeah, I think it's possible to be able to use the language in 6 months if you put the enough time and effort to do that.
To learn in the sense of being able to speak, to write,
to comprehend,
to read.
No, maybe just speaking and comprehend information, to use the general information to speak on any topic.
I guess that is that if an immigrant comes to the United States without any knowledge in English, he will acquire some basic ability to communicate in English very fast, because he will need it regardless what is his age. He will never become a native speaker, but after 6 months living in the United States and having to talk in English from day to night, he will acquire a basic ability to do it. But generally, it seems for me a very difficult task to do it. I'm not sure that if I will be able to do it with a new language today.
I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's not possible. Only if, as I said to you, only if it's a very similar language to yours, then it's going to be simple.
Okay, I mean, for understand news, to speak with native speakers, just in the general subject, to read the newspapers. Is it possible?
If you live with native people?
No, just maybe without this country, what you want to learn language.
In 6 months?
Yeah.
I don't think it's possible. But this is not proved scientifically, I guess. I never saw a research on it. And I think you need more time. Or if you study 24 hours a day, it depends of the person too, if the person is not so busy. If it is a teenagers has a lot of time in their days. If it is a children, if it is a child. So it depends of a lot of factors, but for me, it's a no.
Okay, I got it.
I guess yes, the mailing words to communicate, it's very possible, I guess.
No,
Yeah.
just let me clarify this question. Just to understand news, to understand the random topics, to speak with native speakers. Do you think this is possible with absolutely zero to this level?
Yeah, with focus, with determination. Not everyone will achieve that.
Yeah,
because the focus is the mailing how can I say, the mailing point that will turn that possible. Not everyone will achieve that without focus.
Okay.
Like training a gene, like I said in the last talk, it's very possible.
Actually, I don't know about this question because I didn't try it, but I organized how to acquire language. So yeah, I just want to try my method with German. Yeah.
Okay. Are you learning German right now?
Not now, but maybe in 2 months I will learn German. Yeah.
Do you have any success?
Success? What do you mean?
I mean, do you have any success in learning German language?
No, just I think that pronunciation is so cool. Yeah, that's why I want to learn German. And I think Russian pronunciation is so cool. Yeah, one day I want to learn Russian. Yeah, I
Okay.
saw Russian is second big language of information in internet. Yeah.
Right, really?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. I've never heard about it.